Firefighters expect to face danger when they run into a burning building, but the biggest threat to their lives actually follows them back to the station. In today's Health Matters, we're raising awareness that cancer is the leading cause of line-of-duty deaths in the fire service. We went to the Spring Fire Department to find out how local crews teaming up with Rescue Intellitech using specialized decontamination equipment to fight back against the hidden killer. When you think about what a firefighter is most risk at, do you think maybe a crumbling roof? It's actually these clothes. You won't believe how dangerous this could be, but this machine could actually help save their lives.
66% of line-of-duty deaths from firefighters is from cancer. And that's even higher in Canada at 94%. And these numbers are staggering.
Firefighters risk their lives every single time they answer a call, but they actually can easily take those dangers home with them. I mean, it comes down to our skin as our largest organ, right? And it's just soaking into the skin.
Exactly. And if you're not decontaminating at the fire ground and removing that, you're getting back into the truck with your contaminated gear, then that's going to be on your hands. It's going to be on your clothes. And then it's going to result in you taking that home to your family too.
How awesome is it that Spring Fire Department is really taking note of this?
Oh gosh, it's incredible. They're doing such a great job with the entire decon process, because it isn't just one machine, one unit. It is a process, and it's also about education and getting firefighters to understand the importance of why decon is so important.
That's why firefighters in Spring are changing what happens after the call. This machine could actually help save their lives.
It acts like a dishwasher. It superheats the water, and it helps cleanse the pack, and it gets all the debris and carcinogens off of the pack. So this is designed mostly for our hardware that we wear on.
How good does it make you feel that they take it so seriously here, that they're really watching after your health?
It's awesome, because the department that I came from, we didn't have access to equipment like this. And so I know that my chances of getting cancer is significantly reduced by doing the preventative processes that we have in place here at Spring, and a gear extractor, an SCBA washer, 2 sets of gear. All these factor into being able to make sure that I get to, number one, go home at the end of a long career, hopefully, with no cancer. This extracts all the carcinogens and the toxins out of our gear that gets on while we're inside the fire. So we'd set this to wash our liner. This takes about 45 minutes to run through a cycle, and then whenever it gets out, we're gonna open it, hang it up to dry.
So when did you guys start looking into this cancer prevention?
Decided to implement wellness exams each and every year, and the very first year, 2016, one of our firefighters had testicular cancer and was able to go through treatment, and he's cancer-free today and still with us.
How amazing is it that you were able to look at that situation and wonder if it was part of his job that had caused that? Because anybody can get cancer, right? But you had the foresight to be able to tell that and question if it was something in the workplace?
Yes, absolutely. We looked at all our insurance policies as well, just to make sure we were providing the most protection we could for our people. The wellness exams was the one that stuck out. And it's a costly exam, but our firefighters are very valuable to us, and we want them to be able to retire from here.
Yeah. This is about so much more than decontaminating gear. This is about protecting the people who protect us every single day. Now, Chief Seifert again says those mandatory wellness exams are costly, but there couldn't be anything more worth it to protect their firefighters. The department has already caught and treated early-stage cancer within its own ranks, helping protect firefighters well beyond the call itself. They are truly our heroes, and I hope this makes us all appreciate them more than ever, that what they're doing out there for us. Right now, we're going to take a quick break. We'll see you in a minute.